Yo, what's up, guys? Yeah, welcome to another video. Um, yeah, in this video, we're gonna be exploring how to use or how to activate the drone, aka the flying camera. As you can see, I'm able to move around with this camera. I'm able to move around with the drone camera. Right, cool. First thing you wanna do, okay, is to close your game completely. Make sure your game is closed. And then you want to open your file explorer. You come to documents, then you come to Euro Truck Simulator 2 folder. Then we're gonna open this config file, which is config. I will use notepad, so it's open. I'll expand this for more visibility. First thing you want to do is Control F to open this find tab. Then we're gonna look for developer. As you can see, there's a developer here. If yours it's on 0, make sure that you change the value to a 1. Change the value to a 1. Okay, the second thing will be console. Not the console state, but G underscore console. If it's on 0, make sure it's on 1. Cool. Once done, you're gonna click file and then you save your config file and then you close. Now back to your game. You go to your game, you open your game now. Mine is already open. Make sure that you're inside your game. Then you wanna press this button. Then it's gonna populate this menu now. They call it a console. So there will be a console. That this tells you that your console is activated. Cool. Then if you are able to see that, then you are in the right path. Then you want to press number 0, the one on top of P on your keyboard. Then you will have this type of view. This is under the truck. You are able to move with your mouse. Then you're gonna press number 6 or 4 on your number pad. 4 it's moving on your left, 6 it's moving to your right. As you can see, you are able to move that camera around. 8 it's to move it front. It moves front. So you can use your mouse just to toggle around. As you can see, we know 4 it's left, 6 is right, 8 it's front, 5 it's back. Then you can press 9 to go up, 3 to go down, 9 up, 3 to go down. And then yours might be moving slow, so you need to scroll your wheel on the mouse to increase the speed. So for demonstration, let's go front. I'm gonna press 8. You see the speed. I will scroll the wheel, then it's gonna increase the speed. Did you see that? Let's reduce the speed, which means now I'm gonna scroll back my wheel, then it's gonna decrease the speed of the camera. That's how you increase and decrease the speed. So you are able to move around wherever you want to be. So let's say you wanna teleport. Currently we are here. We want to teleport to this location here. So I'll just use the drone, move around, make sure I position my camera how I want my truck to sit. If I face that side, it means my truck will face that side. If I face that side, my truck will face that side. So I will try and put it here. So once it's here, you wanna press Control and F9. This is gonna bring your truck right here. I'll do that. Control F9. Oops, that means the space was too small for double trailer, but that's what I was trying to show. So let's try to pack it nicely again. Maybe let's put it this side, just here. So meaning the front part will face that side. You see, Control F9 just put your truck wherever you want to put it. Right, I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more how-to videos. Adios.